Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best homemade Caesar salad, y'all. And I know you're like, why are you posting a salad recipe? Because I'm gonna show you guys there's some homemade elements that just boost this salad up to a whole nother level. This is literally my favorite salad in the whole wide world, and I want to share it with you and show you how easy it is. And this recipe, along with others, are going to be found under my playlist. Check it out, you guys. But let's get into this recipe. So I'm starting with just some cut up hoagie rolls that I had left over from another recipe. Just cube them up. Then I also have some butter and anchovy paste. And then I also have a fresh lemon and some Worcestershire sauce, minced garlic, Dijon, some black garlic and paprika, mayo, and then some grated Parmesan, salt and pepper, olive oil, and some raw shrimp. And you can use whatever protein, and of course some romaine. So I'm going to start on the croutons first, and really I just want to get the juice from the garlic, not just chunks all in there. And then I'm going to put some olive oil and a little paprika for some color, and grated Parmesan and pepper. And I'm just going to mix this all up, and then this is going to be the base for our croutons, y'all. And if you've never had homemade croutons, I just showed you guys how easy it is. It is a whole nother level, you guys. It is so bomb. So I'm going to take some shredded Parmesan, and I'm going to make some little cheese crisps. Super easy, and it's cute, honey, okay? So I'm just going to put little piles of cheese, and on the same sheet tray, I'm going to put the croutons. And these are going to toast in the oven, y'all. And when I tell you it is so amazing, it is so amazing, you guys. So for the dressing, I'm going to start with my mayo and put a little paste. And I'm just going to add the rest of my ingredients to this bowl. And all measurements will be in the description box as well. Don't worry, I got you. So I'm just going to mix this stuff up. While I do that, use this opportunity to click that subscribe button if you have not already. And thank y'all so much to those who have already subscribed. Our family is growing every day, and I truly, truly appreciate you guys. I really, really do. It's so humbling to see the growth in y'all enjoying my videos. So into another skillet, I'm going to start on my shrimp with a little bit of brown butter, and then I'm going to add just a little bit of garlic. And you can use whatever protein. Generally, you'll see this with Caesar salad with chicken, but I wanted to do some shrimp in there because I just had some and I wanted some, and it's super easy, you guys. This is like a 15-minute meal, legit, from beginning to end. So out of the oven, look at this, you guys. Those cheese crisps, just for some pretty, and they are delicious, you guys. And that homemade dressing, and then you have your homemade croutons. But hold on now, I know what you guys want. Go on and take that bite. There you go, baby. I mean, come on. Delicious, you guys. So I hope you guys try that recipe. Again, simple and easy and so amazing, guys. Hit the notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.